Food was always a big deal in our family. On weekends, my mom would make dumplings. Growing up, I had 3 older brothers. I was the youngest, but I was the only one who liked to cook. So I would help my mom on weekends to make dumplings. So we would spend, we would chop the vegetables, we'd mix the meat, and then we'd fold the dumplings, and then my mom would cook it. My mom had a special pan, a special non-stick pan, and she did batches, about 30 of them in there. So she would fry it and then add water, put a lid on it. It would take an hour, and because of tradition, my oldest brother would eat first. And then 15 minutes later, my second brother would get his batch. Maybe my third brother was playing basketball or something, so maybe I would skip a turn, but because I was the youngest of 4 brothers, I would eat last. I made the dumplings, I'd watch them be cooked. Man, was I happy to get my plate full of 30 dumplings. I would sit down in front of the TV, eat it with a dipping sauce, and then I'd probably go back and look for seconds. And that's when I realized I wasn't the one who ate last. It was my mom and dad who ate the dumplings last. Come down, grab yourself an easy meal to share with you and your family so you can start new traditions.